everyone, I'm Matt Armio with Get a Grip Tools. We're at MTE. What I wanted to show off today was this glue tray for technicians that do a lot of glue pulling, hail repair, doing a lot of rail repair. This is a fantastic tool for you guys out there. It makes you guys a lot more efficient. The tool tray right now is a rough prototype, but it's getting close to production. It's going to be most likely out of plastic. The nice thing about the feature about this glue tray is that it's actually compatible with some actual tool carts. So this actually will slide onto a tool cart, and then you can remove it. And the trick thing is, if you guys already own my Get a Grip umbrella system, the big top, this is a 6-inch cup, and it allows you to actually attach the glue tray to it. And when you do that, so it allows you to actually attach it to the car. It makes it very convenient. You'd be a lot faster with your repairs. You can put your glue, your solvent, your slide hammer on there, and it definitely make you work faster, make more money. It makes life a lot easier. I've been using it for a while, dude, and I even do it as a route guy. I love it. I stick all my tools in it, and I just keep the ground clean. I don't have to be on the ground. So if you guys keep your eyes peeled for the debut of that, it's probably most likely going to be ready for Vegas, MTE 2020. So you guys come on by, take a look at it, and see what you guys think. I think it's a home run. It's probably going to be a must-use tool for all the hail techs. It's got a confirmed price, but it's probably hovering around $200. That's going to include the suction cup and the tray. So we'll see how close we can get to that, but that's what we're working on. I want to make this affordable. I want every tech to have one and realize the value that this holds for them. And then also the grip itself, I actually have a demonstration. It's holding 35-pound cowbell on the wall here. So these are not a flimsy tool. So if you guys are worried about putting too much on it, I use it all the time. I put, my 9 milliamp DeWalt battery with the glue gun attached to it. So it's a really nice tool to have. It's very sturdy and stout. So you guys could just periodically check my site. My Instagram account is Get a Grip Now, and then also my website is getagripnow.com. Pretty simple. Again, Matt with the Get a Grip Tools. All right, guys, I appreciate the opportunity. Thank you, Chris. See you guys in the next MTE.